Zora price prediction. In the last video I recorded basically 11 hours ago, I said we're gonna long right here, and we did. We longed until the 50 EMA and got 5% out of Zora. So now we're looking at some shorts. We just touched the 200 EMA. We liquidated a bunch of trades based on the liquidation heat map, and I won't waste a second of your time. I'll just tell you my entry and my take profits. Obviously this video is no financial advice. So I'm interested in taking at least a 1% profit trade, which is from here to here from the open. But since I'm getting in a little bit later, I can get 1.7% out of this. And hopefully we can even stretch it to VWAP or the 50 EMA. So I'm short, first take profit 753 or around that, and we'll make it a higher target if for some reason VWAP moves further into our price range. Hopefully this helped you out. If you have any questions, use the link in the description down below. I'll try to help you out as much as I can. I also have a course that's priced very cheap and a signals chat in the link in the description down below. But don't worry if you can't afford it, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll meet again tomorrow.